is the last thing Boeing needs in the wake of that fly that lost a door plugged in the air. You may have heard about the Boeing cargo jet that made an emergency landing reportedly because of an engine malfunction. Malfunction. Now we're hearing from the woman who shot the video but being seen around the world. Oh my god, it's on fire. It's shocking video is on fire. Mom, as flames leap from a plane, mayday, mayday, engine fire, request back to the airport. We have five souls on board. The cargo plane had just taken off from Miami bound for Puerto Rico. In real life, it was even more vibrant and vivid. Melanie Adiro shot an amazing video now being seen around the world. What was going through your mind? I couldn't believe what I was witnessing. Are there people on that plane? Is the plane going down? While I was going on, the plane made an emergency landing 50 minutes after it took off. No injuries were reported. The owners at Atlas Air say the Boeing 747 plane experienced an engine malfunction. The drama comes after that other scares involving a Boeing 737 MAX where the door plug blew off. Oh my god, now this fiery drama in the sky is on.